Carly got the pints and the OG. Ballin' like Ginobili, yo bitch in the nosebleed. Parking lot.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? I'm in need of a house, a home actually. I don't got nowhere to sleep. So today I'm just be sleeping in front of people's doors. First, what we got a lamp, you feel me? In case I'm scared of the monsters and shit like that. It usually happens. Next thing we got my little teddy bear to hold at night, you feel me? Alright, next thing we got a onesies, you feel me? You gotta feel comfortable when you making these videos, you feel me? So we got that onesie right there. That's about it, type of shit. I ain't gonna lie, all these people driving by looking at me, bruh. But you feel me? I dead don't care. At least y'all like my onesies. I'ma call him her. I'ma call her Mrs. Snuggles. Mrs. Snuggles. You feel me? Right now I'm gonna put this shit on, bruh. And I'm gonna be walking the whole neighborhood. Y'all girls, bruh. Tell me that's not a joke, bruh. Oh wow, you feel me? Tell me y'all putting on y'all pants. No ass! Y'all still doing this. Crazy. Alright, so we got some cornflakes. Struggle meal grown up, you feel me? That's all I had. Fork, of course. That's all I had. We got a blanket right here. And yeah, man, let's get right into the video. Bro. Oh my. You know, gotta do a test run. They're just trying to kick me out too. Oh shit. Long day of work, man. Mom, can you read me a bedtime story? Bro, did they just come home? Is that the same house we did? No, not. Okay. Mom! Oh, answer the door back up. Another house down. Hello.
Yes, hi.
Have 5 more minutes of sleep.
What are you talking about?
Like sleeping. Can I sleep?
Where?
Right here.
No.
Why not?
Have a good
one. Oh. Can I like sleep here?
Huh?
Can I have like 5 more minutes of sleep? Like right here.
Oh, I don't know.
What?
5 more minutes of sleep right here.
I'm sorry.
No?
Click, clack, push your shit back. Damn, who did that?
2 weeks later, ain't gonna lie, those people that I went to, bro, I went to every goddamn door. They didn't even open the shit, bro. People was home and shit, bro. They didn't open the motherfucking door. They see a young black kid up to no good, you feel me? But it's cool though. Alright, so my bad about the audio. The plane was, you feel me? They want to be a dickhead. Driving the plane, flying the plane, whatever you want to call it. I think, you feel me? They should ban all airplanes. You think so?
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright. But, as you can see by the thumbnail and title, you finna be exploding basketball.
Your baby mama wanna give me a bitch. She tricking on a nigga, she wanna play. I could've put it on her, but I was late. I got a recipe about to go crazy. I just got in the club with a 3. I don't wanna pull it up.
All one. Oh. Jump shot, bro. Fucking traveling ass. Check that shit, bro.
Bring out the hoochie, bring out the hoochie, bring out the hoochie.
I'm fucking scared, bro. Hold on. Come on, you ready?
That shit got mad here.
Alright, come on, I'm about to dunk it.
What, dunk it?
You gotta guard me though. Trying to throw this shit. Ready?
Whoa!
You need more air, right? Yeah, man.
Give it 20, give it 20. Give it like, all right, 1.
20.
All right, keep going, keep going.
Could've got the one with the
Yo, that shit does. It's pushing it back.
Alright, you ready? Yeah, unplug it, man. You do everything.
That shit
You do everything, bro.
All right, real quick.
Oh, shit!
You wanna try it, man? You wanna try it? Mm-hmm. Go ahead. I'm kind
Oh,
of.
it's playing like oh, shit. All
Bro, this shit lost as fucking. It's not even a circle no more. Alright.
Real quick, bro.
Somebody come take it out, bro.
Pull it out real quick, real quick.
Alright, we good. Ready? Uh-huh.
Yeah, I should have recorded that shit.
Nah, that shit got my hair.
Say something, bro. Say something, bro.
Y'all niggas crazy, bro. Shit people do for content. That's crazy, bro. What the fuck the ball? Oh. Nah, that's crazy. Yeah. Look to the football now. Word.
I got some options when it come to bitch. I done hit plenty.
Nobody got a pump. Piece of shit.
I'm poppin'. They mad cause I poppin'. 20 P-toes in the lobby. I put the fudge on the rising.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah.
I go slowly, bro. I'm scared. Fuck. I had a little monkey sound.